Welcome back everyone, and today we're going to be learning about the quadratic formula and how to solve quadratic equations using the quadratic formula. Okay, let's get right into it. We've got x squared plus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Now, obviously, we can factorize this by thinking what two numbers multiply to 6 and add to 5. Yes, we can make this x plus 2 and x plus 3, which is equal to 0. So that means x plus 2 equals 0. So that means x is equal to minus 2. Here's one solution. Or, and x plus 3 is equal to 0. That means x is equal to negative 3 is our second solution. But no. This time we're going to be using the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is equal to x is equal to minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now, what is a in our equation? So we've got no coefficient, only the coefficient of x here is just 1, so a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and finally c, our constant, is equal to 6. Now let's input these values and substitute them into the formula. That means x is equal to minus 5 plus minus root 5 squared minus 4ac, which is 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 6, all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. So that means x is equal to minus 5 plus minus root 25, which is 5 squared, minus, what is 4 times 1 times 6? It is 24. All over, obviously, 2. Now, let's continue with the working out. That means that x is equal to minus 5 plus minus root 1 over 2. Correct? Now, what is root 1? It's obviously just 1. So we've got x is equal to minus 5 plus minus 1 over 2. Let's do the plus first. Minus 5 plus 1 over 2 is equal to minus 4 over 2, which means x equals minus 2. One solution. Now we're going to do x equals minus 5 minus 1 over 2, which is equal to minus 6 over 2. So that means x is equal to minus 3. This is our second solution. As you can see, x equals minus 2, x equals minus 3. Using the quadratic formula is the same values as what we've got here of x equals minus 2 and x equals minus 3. Now, this was a monic equation, meaning that it was x squared. Let's try a non-monic equation using the quadratic formula that you can't easily factorize. An example for a non-monic equation can be 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, let's input these values into our quadratic formula, which is minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, minus b, which is 3, is minus 3 plus minus root b squared is 3 squared minus 4 times a, which is 2, times c, which is minus 2, all over 2a, which is 2 times 2. So that this equals to minus 3 plus minus root 9 minus what is 4 times 2 times minus 2 Okay, that's 8 times minus 2, which is negative 16. 9 minus negative 16. Minus minus will just equal a plus sign, which is 9 plus 16 over 2 times 2, which is just 4. Okay, now we've got minus 3 plus minus. 9 plus 16 is 25, so we've got root 25 over 4. Now we know root 25 is just equal to 5, and we've got over 4. So this means that x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 5 over 4. Let's do plus first. Minus 3 plus 5 over 4 is equal to 2 over 4, which is equal to 1/2. Here's one solution. Now let's do minus. X is equal to minus 3 minus 5 over 4, which equals to minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8 over 4, which equals to minus 2. Here's our two solutions. X is equal to 1/2 and minus 2. So this is how to use the quadratic formula and solve both monic and non-monic quadratic equations. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.